Good morning, class. Good morning, class. This is our fact sheet 14A. At the top of the paper where it says name, I want you to double tap, make sure you have your name there. See the date is September 11th, 2020. The instructions say fill in the missing add-in on each fact card. Write the addition and subtraction fact family for each fact card. So that's the triangles. At the top, you see the 6. We want the triangle to equal 6. So our missing number was 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. Those are our addition problems. Subtraction, it's 6 minus 1 equals 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Moving over to the next triangle, the top number is 7. And we have, for addition problems, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Subtraction, 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. If we go over if we move down, we will have our problems. So I'm going to go over them with you. You should have both side A and B done already. As we go over the problems, we're going to circle the answers to make sure that we have them correct and we've went over all of them and not have missed a beat. So at the top, it says 5 minus 0 equals 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1. I put a 9 there. You guys can fill that in as well. If you had something else, you can change it or you could just leave it. It's no biggie. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Moving down, 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Moving over to the next column, 7 minus 5 equals 2. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Moving over to the third column, starting at the top, 1 minus 1 equals 0. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Fourth column, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. The last column, guys, it says 9 minus 4 equals 5. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 9 minus 0 equals 9. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 9 minus 5 equals 4. And 7 minus 4 equals 3. That wraps up our facts, guys. When you are all done and complete with this, as you should be, please put it back in your Friday folder so that everything stays together. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Continue to work hard. And also have a nice weekend. Sorry.
Thanks, Ms. Bryant, for getting those facts corrected for us. We're ready to move into our Power Up. So you should be on page 45 for our Lesson 8 Power Up. Right here underneath Lesson 8, you've got facts today, counting, mental math, and then our problem of the day. Go ahead and press pause on this video. When you press play again, you should be done with it, and we'll correct it together. All right, if you're watching this now, that means you're done with your Power Up. We're going to correct it together. Today we've got subtraction. 11 minus 9 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 17 minus 8 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 17 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 4 is 9. 11 minus 6 is 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. 12 minus 7 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 14 minus 5 is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 17 minus 9 is 8. 16 minus 7 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 18 minus 9 is 9. 11 minus 8 is 3. Counting today, we're counting by fives from 5 to 100. Let's do it together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 90, 100. Excellent. Today, we're doing our plus 10 minus 1 strategy. So for A, 56 plus 9. 56 plus 10 is 66, minus 1 is 65. B, 63 plus 9. 63 plus 9 is 72. Plus 2 plus 10 would be 73. Minus 1 brings us down to 72. C, 48 plus 9. 48 plus 10 would be 58. Minus 1 is 57. D, 74 plus 20. 74 plus 20 is 94 because 7 plus 2 is 9. E, 60 plus 30. 6 plus 3 is 9, so 60 plus 30 is 90. F, 49 plus 40. 49 plus 40 is 89 because 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 plus 0 is still 9. Now, for our problem of the day, we have this design with 10 circles. Now, the pattern that they told us to do was 1, skip, skip, 2, skip, skip, 3. All right, so we're going to keep that going. 1, skip, skip, 2, skip, skip, 3, skip, skip, 4, skip, skip, 5. Keep going. Skip, skip, 6, skip, skip, 7, skip, skip, 8, skip, skip, 9, skip, skip, 10. All right? So we did, I'll do that again with the numbers just a little bit bigger. 1, skip, skip, 2, skip, skip, 3, skip, skip, 4, skip, skip, 5, skip, skip, 6, skip, 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 7, skip, skip, 8, skip, skip, 9, skip, skip, 10. And that's it, just that pattern for today. Go ahead and flip it over. We'll get ready to go on our objectives and our new concept for the day with adding money. Happy Friday, 3rd grade. We are on math lesson 8. Let's get going on our objectives. Today you will learn how to use money to add 2-digit numbers. All right? So we're going to stack numbers on top of each other, add them up, and make sure we've got a label of a $sign. We have one example. Make sure that you're on the back of your Power Up following along with me. I love giving credit to kids that fill in all of this, and I can tell they worked really hard and watched my video. So, example says, Shatania had $32. She earned $7 by babysitting. Then how much money did Shatania have? Okay, so I'm right here at the top. All right? So she had $32. Then she earned 7 more. That keyword more tells us it's an addition problem. How much money did Shatania have? We're going to add 7 plus 32. We always start at the far right with our ones column. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 0 is still 3. Now don't forget we need our dollar sign. So our answer would be $39. All right? Excellent. That's our only example for today. So we'll go on to our lesson practice. In your lesson practice, the first 3 I copied down for you. You notice that in your book, they have it as a horizontal number sentence. It's easier as a vertical number sentence. So make sure that you stack it up with your ones on top of your ones, your tens column on top of your tens column. All right? Get going on A, B, and C. When you're done with those, get going on D, E, and F. You keep working hard as I get the problems up on the board, and then when I'm done, we'll go through them together. All right, let's get rocking and rolling on our problems. Remember, we're going to start with that tens column first, or so that ones column first, and then we'll go to our tens column. We can't forget any dollar signs on any of these problems. A, 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 0 is 5. Don't forget your dollar sign. B, 14 plus 75. 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. Sorry. So you get $89. Next, 36 plus 42. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. So you get 78. Don't forget your dollar sign. D, 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7, so you get $78. Next, 15 plus 21. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3, so you get $36. F, 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3, so you get $38. Excellent. You are ready to get going on your written practice. We're on page 47. Okay, written practice page 47. Go ahead and get that out, and then keep watching this video. I'll go through a couple on our video now, and then later. All right, third grade, we're going to do these 4 together. $. Becky has $42. Altogether, how much money do Becky and Dejaron have? Okay? Together, Dejaron and Becky have how much money? So we're going to write an equation to solve this. So we have $23 plus 42 more dollars. Go ahead and add those together because it tells us all together, so we need to add them. That's kind of our key word to know we got to add. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So we get $65. This is your answer that goes over in your small box at the side. Next, we've got number 20. Number 20 is a sequence. We need to write the rule and the next 3 terms. So 28, 35, 42. Well, what are we counting by? What are we counting by? 28, 35, 42. Well, count from 38 up to 35. And see what you get. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I went up by 7. So I think I'm counting by 7s. I'm going to double check in my multiplication chart. So my multiplication chart has actually counting by certain numbers. So if I look at 7 right here, and I think I'm counting by 7s, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Wait a minute. That matches. See it right behind my shoulder here? 28, 35, 42. 28, 35, 42. Awesome. What are our next 3? 49, 56, 63. So counting by 7s. 42 plus 7 is 49. 49 plus 7 is 56. 56 plus 7 is 63. All right, now when I write that at the side for my answer, I'm going to say 49, comma, 56, comma, 63, comma. Now when I'm giving my rule, I always just like to put this plus 7, put a box around it, put it in that same little box at the side because that is the rule. Next, go on to 25. 25 says write 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts using 7, 8, and 15. So 7, 8, and 15. I'm going to start by adding the smaller 2 together. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Commutative property, switch them. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now start with my bigger number first. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 15 minus 8 equals 7. That is one of those problems that is an awesome time to write C box. So write C box at the side instead of copying all this into that tiny little box. If you can fit it neatly, that's awesome. If you can't, write C box there. Last one we're going to go through right now. 27 says how many different 3-digit numbers can you write using the digits 7, 6, and 5? Each digit may only be used once in every number you write, and list the numbers in order from least to greatest. Now remember, these are the ones I like to do in least to greatest at the same time. So we've got 7, 6, and 5. Which one is the smallest? 7, 6, or 5? 5. So that's going to go first. What's next smallest? Well, 6. Then after that, 7's all I got left. Okay? Now I'm going to do my other number that starts with a 5. So start with 5, and then switch these two. So 576. Excellent. Now I've used up my 5. Which number is the next smallest, 6 or 7? 6. So I'd go 6, and then I'm going to put the 5 first because the 5 is smaller than 7. 657. Switch the last two. 675. Now, the only one I got left to start with is my 7. So 700. I've only got a 5 and a 6 left. 5 smaller, so I'd go 56. Then 765. All right? Now, if you check, these are all in order from least to greatest. 567 is less than 576, which is less than 657, which is less than 675, less than 756, and less than 765. Okay? That's another one that if you can write those really neatly in the box, I know we appreciate it, but if you can't, it's another good one to write C box in the little box at the side so that when Miss Bryan and I correct it, we know to look at the big box for your answer. All right, keep working hard. Once you're done with this, make sure your facts, your power up, and your lesson sheet go back in your folder so that we can get full credit for it, and make sure you mark it off on your checklist so you know you're already done. Thanks, good luck, and work hard.